The Cardassian Union's most common starship seen in the 2310s is the Galor-class warship at a length of 371 meters and a mass of 1,678,000 and a hull defense of 390,000 seen in TNG Star Trek episode Season 4, Episode 12. Galor shields go down after 4 shots from a Galaxy-class Type X phaser, making the Galor shields only 260,000. This means the Cardassian shields are almost 100 years behind in technology compared to the other major powers. This was made most evident in the Klingon-Cardassian War in 2372. Later in Season 4, Episode 12, the Nebula-class Phoenix-class Federation starship takes out a Galor-class warship with only its torpedoes within seconds.
Sir, the Cardassian warship is moving on the Phoenix.
Mr. Data, overlay weapon ranges of the two ships.
The warship is 300,000 kilometers from the Phoenix. It is opening fire. The Phoenix has taken a direct hit. The Phoenix is beginning evasive maneuvers. It has positioned itself outside the weapons range of the opposing ship. The Phoenix has powered up both phasers and photon torpedoes. The Phoenix is firing photon torpedoes.
He has destroyed our warship.
Max volley seen in TNG is 8 torpedoes from a Galaxy-class starship, but it is stated that the Enterprise is capable of launching 10 torpedoes, so I went with the max volume of 10, giving a full defense of 650,000, due to the fact that the Nebula and the Galaxy are made from the exact same components. Now, you need to subtract the shield value of 260,000 from the max defense value given to you. You end up with a hull value of 390,000. Later, the Galor would be upgraded to a hull value of 585,000 during the Dominion War. The Galor has 8 spiral wave disruptors and 1 heavy spiral wave disruptor cannon. The heavy spiral wave disruptor cannon is said to be the same as a Type X Federation phaser. The spiral wave disruptor is only 7,500 terawatts, and we know that based off of the Raider's shields of 260,000, minus 1 shot from a heavy spiral wave disruptor cannon shot of 65,000 terawatts, and then subtract the 13 shots fired by the Galor spiral wave disruptors. The Raider's shields are down by 50%. This gives the spiral wave disruptor a value of 7,500 terawatts, and this data is acquired from the very first episode of Voyager. Later, the heavy spiral wave disruptor cannon was upgraded to 168,750 terawatts of damage, able to kill a Federation-class Miranda-class starship within 4 shots, seen in DS9 episode Sacrifice of Angels. At the very end of the Dominion War, there was a final weapons upgrade to the heavy spiral wave disruptor cannon of 650,000 terawatts, being able to kill Jem'Hadar warships in 1 shot and even Breen warships within 2 shots. This is the second strongest disruptor seen in all of DS9, just behind the Nigvar planet disruptor seen attacking DS9 with an attack value of 975,000. For unknown reasons, the Galor shields were never upgraded. I suspect the Cardassian shield technology was not compatible with the Dominion technology, unlike the weapon systems and hull, which were all upgraded by the Dominion. Before the Dominion upgrade, the Galor was more in line with Federation Miranda-class starships in defense and firepower. The ship was around the same size as the Excelsior. After its first Dominion upgrade, the Galor had a firepower rating around the same as a Romulan warbird, and a new hull about the same as the Excelsior class. The Excelsior class starship's hull was around 522,222, and the Galor, significantly larger, was 5,885, or 585,000. Another thing to state is the huge difference between the Type 1s and then the Type 3s. The Type 1 had a shield of 260,000, a hull value of 390, and a full defense of 650,000. And it could deliver a full payload of weapon damage equal to 390,000 from its heavy spirewave disruptor cannon. Now, the final upgrade of this vessel, the shields are still at 260,000. The hull value is now 585,000. And the defense value of the ship is now 845,000. Now it has a staggering 2,600,000 in offensive abilities. The weapon that we see at the end there is so unbelievably strong that making the Galor Type 3 Dominion upgrade is literally 6 times the firepower of its predecessor. This upgrade gives the Galor the firepower to take out even a standard Galaxy-class starship in one full volley. I try to think about why this would be, and the only thing that I can come up with is when we see the planetary defenses destroying Federation starships, I think that the navigational deflector was integrated with an upgraded Cardassian weapons platform heavy disruptor, making the Galor Type 3 a mobile weapons platform with moderate defense. Overall, the heavy spiral wave disruptor cannon is 65,000. This is the original Cardassian weapon seen in TNG, and then the smaller, less efficient weapon is the spiral wave disruptor, which is 7,500. All the other variants are based off Romulan technology as well as Dominion.